Hey you guys, what is up? Hey girl, hey, it is your girl Tash and welcome back to Lay Channel. So for today's video guys, you already know what it is by the title, so let's go ahead and jump on into it. Woo! Alright guys, so for today's video, we are going to be testing out the new L'Oreal Age Perfect Blurring Face Primer infused with Caring Serum. What does that mean exactly? Well, let's find out. This says, blurring face primer instantly and visibly transforms skin quality. It is known to give a soft focus effect, a healthy looking complexion, diffuses the look of fine lines, and improves the skin appearance over time. It states that you'll have more radiant skin and a smoother, softer complexion. Let's find out what it looks like. So if you guys have seen this packaging before, of course you have. We have here the L'Oreal Age Perfect Foundation, which I did a full review on the collection. If you'd like to check that out, there's the video there. And I'll also link it down in the description box. That way you can stay and check out this video. So I'm going to be using the foundation and the concealer today with this primer. So this one says it is in Rosy Rose. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully you can. I could only find this one color. So I don't know if they're going to make more versions of it and whatnot. It does come in a 1 full ounce squeezy tube. It's literally the same size as the foundation. Same packaging. The cute little pink lid. It is a squeezy tube. And I'm just going to squirt a little bit out here on my hand and show you guys the texture. So that's what it looks like. And to me, it kind of reminds me of like a more, almost like a silicone pore primer, if you will. Let me see what this has in it. It has dimethicone in it, glycerin, and those are within the first couple of ingredients. So that is good. It says dimethicone, water, glycerin. Hey girl, hey. I don't see anything in here that's supposed to be super drying, so I'm gonna bring you guys in just a little bit. Don't mind down here. I'm having skin acne. It is what it is. But I want you guys to see how good this stuff works. So I'm just gonna go here in my pore area and start off. And what I like to do with primers like this is let them warm up on my skin a little bit before I rub them all the way in. Now I am going to try this on my laugh lines today. If you guys don't remember, this foundation does not emphasize fine lines on the face. So I want to know if this primer actually works on fine lines. So I'm going to put some here and here. And I like never do that because when it says that a primer will do that, it generally emphasizes my fine lines, which I hate. Oh, it just looks so bad. So I'm going to start actually pressing this into the skin and kind of rubbing it and blurring, hopefully blurring my skin. I was so excited when I saw that they came out with this, and it was gifted to me by a family member. Thank you girl so much, because y'all know your girl broke right now. I'm on a no buy. So it did a great job at blurring the pores on my nose. Did an okay job on my forehead. So I press and rub. Now I'll be honest with you guys, I use quite a bit of pore primer here on the cheeks because I have some pretty large pores that I'm dealing with there. And I want them blurred really good. So usually how I can tell if pore primer is working for me, right here when I go, it'll show me whether or not my pores are covered efficiently enough. And I'm not happy with the coverage there. I'm happy with the coverage on my nose and my forehead. So I'm going to go in with a little bit more. I know I use a lot of pore primer. I do want to say I didn't feel comfortable using this all over my entire face. I'm also going to test it on my chin. For me, I have a very large pore right here. And if it can fill and cover that, it's a good pore primer. If you guys are wondering what's on the eyes, I'm wearing the BH Cosmetics Naughty Palette. Okay, I'm really impressed with this primer thus far because it's doing a nice job at filling in the pores, but it's not emphasizing any dry patches here on my chin. Like, I cannot believe that. Most pore primers do. Wow. Hopefully you guys heard that. That was Bubba snoring. He's so funny. Can you guys tell the difference from when I put this on? I should have did a still shot and had Nick split the screen. I don't know if he can do that, but I'm sure he would have figured it out. He's pretty good. Guys, I'm really impressed by how this blurred. Now I do see some area here where I'd like a little bit more blurring and just a little bit here. But my main part is my nose, and I think it did a great job. So I'm going to zoom you in. And right here, it did a great job on the nose. Did a great job here on the chin. Alright, so this is going to be kind of a short video. I only have a couple other products that I'm going to try out on camera today, guys. One is the new Revolution Lift and Define 5D Lash Extra Dimension Mascara. I've had this for about a week now, and I'm going to try that out. And I'm also going to try this new Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipstick in Cocoa. So I'm going to try that out because I think it's a nude, so it should work with this look. But I'm not going to do my foundation on camera because you guys have already seen me use this. If you've seen that video, if you haven't, definitely go check it out. I'll be right back, and I'm going to show you guys what this looks like after I apply the foundation, and then of course the full face. Alright guys, so I'm going to zoom you in. I'm not sure if my skin's looking a little bit dry because I'm outside every day in the super cold. It has been really, really cold here in Illinois. But I'm outside every day feeding the animals for, I'd say, quite a bit of time. And also, I unplugged our humidifier the other day as I was editing a video, and I was using that plug, and I completely forgot to plug it back in. So my skin is a little dry right now. So, usually this makes me look really, really dewy. So it's either the primer or it's the lack of humidity, so. Alright guys, I'm going to apply the rest of my makeup, and when we get ready to do the mascara and the lip, I will be back. Okay guys, so I'm not really minding how the makeup's looking at this point. I did spray it down with a dewy mist, but that's just because that's what I like. So I think what I'm going to do now is go in with this mascara. I can tell you guys, I've already tried this a couple of times. But of course I won't tell you anything till the end. So this is, again, the Revolution Lift and Define 5D Lash Extra Dimension Mascara. I will tell you, I have never found a mascara from Revolution that I've liked. So when I saw this one, I was like, ooh, that's some really strong claims, Revolution. Okay. Love the packaging. It's really pretty. I think that they do a really good job on packaging. And then around here, it says Revolution all the way around. Here is the wand. And I'm going to read you guys the claims real quick. So this is what it claims. It claims 5 times the length, extreme extension effect, instant lash lift, says lashes reach new heights, defined super separation, wide-eyed look, out of this world impact, so 5 times the stretch, and then mega boost for lashes, so 5 times volume. Says it has hyaluronic acid for a hydration boost. And as far as I know, they only have it in the shade Super Black. So, yeah, we're going to find out after I read the back of the box. It also says it has an ergonomic flexible fiber brush with 2-way fiber technology that reaches every lash for a dramatic wide-eyed look. Says this mascara lengthens, lifts, defines, and stretches lashes for an extreme lash extension effect. Alright, alright. So here we go. I'm not going to use any mascara primer or anything. Doesn't smell like anything. I don't know why I smell everything. Do you guys smell everything? Forgot to curl my lashes. Oh well. You guys, I know I'm looking a little tan today. I kind of went crazy with my bronzer, by the way. And I think I grabbed my number 75 shade instead of sand. I have 2 different shades here. Oh well, y'all know I like a little tan. Especially in the winter time when I'm pasty. Okay, pasty for a mixed girl. Do you guys ever have that one eye that you do where no matter how many times you do it or how slow you do it, you always mess up, but then the other eye looks perfect? That's this eye for me. And so I've even tried to like trick my eyes and start with the other one first. Doesn't matter. Usually I've poked myself in the eye by now. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the difference. So this one has the mascara on it. This one does not yet. But I'm telling you, this eye will look better. Just hold on. What do you guys think? Comment down below if you can see the difference. I gotta keep it real. Like, I'm gonna go in and do a second coat. To me, it's a second coat when you dip it back in. So I'm gonna go in and do a second coat on this eye and show you guys the difference. You guys bear with me. You know I got sensitive eyes. If you're new here, hey, I'm Tash, and I have sensitive eyes, like really sensitive eyes. So like this one is starting to water. Do you guys see the difference in the lashes? I definitely see the difference. So I'll just keep it real with you guys right off the jump. I really like this mascara. I think it's beautiful. Like I said, I've used it several times already. I just think it's really pretty. I think it does an amazing job on all of the claims that it gives. And what I like about it is it's not... I have had no issues with it getting clumpy or giving you like that spider lash effect, because who wants spider lashes? I have not noticed this flaking or, you know, like dropping little bits on my face throughout the day. So really, really like that. The only thing that I feel like it doesn't claim is to be waterproof, and I don't really care for waterproof mascara, so I don't mind that. I'm going to go in with this. This is the Maybelline Super Matte Ink in Cocoa. Ooh. Oh yeah. Now it might not match the look, but I want to try it because I love these. I also picked up the Maybelline Ultimate Lipstick in Scarlet. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch this for you guys too. I don't know what these are called. I completely forgot, but they're like the Slim Sticks or whatever. I just got it on my nose. Okay, so it's a red lipstick. I don't know why I thought this one was like the, kind of like the bright, kind of orangish red. I was trying to step out of my comfort zone. It's pretty. We'll use it in a video. But y'all know I love these. So let me line my lips. I'm just going to go on with the LA Color Dark, or LA Girl Dark Peach Lip Liner. Liner's not perfect, by the way. The other thing I love about these, if you've never tried one of these, I love the wand. You literally have to dip in wands. It's generally one coat. These are amazing on the lips and they last pretty much all day. Look at that color, you guys. Oh, and there goes my eye watering. I know my sensitive-eyed girls know what I'm talking about. How annoying. You guys, you gotta excuse me. I have a horrible cold right now. And the line's not perfect, but I just wanted to show you guys the color, so excuse me. Gotta do the lipstick swipey thing so you don't get lipstick all over your teeth. Alright, you guys, so besides my eyes watering, here's the final look. I decided to go ahead and skip the bottom lash liner because it's just going to irritate my eyes. So, first things first, loving the lipstick. I already knew that I love their formula. It's just a matter of adding more shades to my collection. And when this coffee collection came out, I don't know, I was just in another state of mind, I guess, and testing other things. I've been loving the mascara. I highly, 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 highly recommend this one. If you didn't like the Maybelline, what is it, Sky High Lash Lift Mascara, you'll definitely, definitely love this one. I honestly, I haven't got to play with that one a ton, but I have used it more than 2 times, and I guess maybe it's because I have the waterproof version because I couldn't find anything else, but I actually like this one better. And I love Maybelline mascaras, so I don't know, maybe I need to get the regular one, but this from Revolution is revolutionary to me. I think it's a beautiful mascara. I think it does everything that it claims, and I'm very happy with it. And I've never liked any of their mascaras. Now, as far as the primer, I think it's very nice. I think it did a beautiful job of smoothing the pores, especially on my nose. I think it did a great job too here. I mean, it's not the perfect one as far as my face pores on my cheeks go, but I think it did a great job, especially after I applied the foundation and my concealer and my powder. I think that those other products with this really helped it. But if you don't have as large pores as I do, I think you'll love this primer. It's gorgeous. Now, as far as putting it in areas where I do have fine lines, I am really surprised that I don't hate it. Because at first when I started to apply my foundation and my other products right here and right here, I was like, ooh. Now, I will say that I feel like this line right here is more prominent since I did put the primer there, so I probably would just skip that next time. But it didn't do a bad job in this area. I smile a lot anyways, so my smile lines are always showing, and this is another one of those foundations that I can generally get away with wearing, and my smile lines are not very visible. So I think if you're looking for a good blurring face primer, I think the L'Oreal Age Perfect Blurring Face Primer is a beautiful primer. And what I love about this is that even with my skin being a little bit more dry than it has been because my silly self shut off my humidifier, I think this did a great job on dry skin. So I think that this is definitely dry skin approved, and I highly recommend it. So yeah, guys, loving all the products today that I tried out. I think that all of them were really, really pretty products, and I think that they work great. I cannot wait to hear from some of my more mature girls out there that are looking for new face primers and that love this line. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this primer. Again, I think it's beautiful. It feels very lightweight on the skin. I don't feel like my pores are clogged, even though I was pressing that into my pores, you know, to create that more smooth canvas. So yeah, I would love to hear what you guys think. I wanted to tell you guys too really quickly while I had it in here. I did finish up this e.l.f. All the Feels facial oil. This is really nice. I mean, there's like a small bit in there that I can't get out, but I pretty much used the whole bottle, and I actually got about 10 uses out of this. So very nice face oil. However, even though I love e.l.f. and I'm ride or die for them, I really feel like I enjoy my Good Molecules ones a little bit more, and they're not as pricey. So I think e.l.f. did a great job with this. If you're interested in trying it, hey, I definitely recommend. But I recommend the Good Molecules ones more just because I feel like I had to use a little bit less and it's more budget friendly. So I don't know, who knows, maybe one day I will pick up the full size. But all right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I do want to say thank you as always for taking time out of your busy day to come hang out with me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I want to know in the comments down below, are you gonna pick up any of these products, or are you just gonna continue to use what you have in your collection and trying to finish it up? I hope you guys are enjoying the new content on the channel. I do want to say hello and welcome again to the new subscribers. I'm so happy to have you guys here, and I hope you guys are all doing well and staying safe and staying warm. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.